Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we are going to be making vanilla cake today. Fluffy vanilla cake is what we are going to be baking. So over here are all my recipe. So over here I already have my butter in there. I have about 100 grams of butter in there. This is my milk. I have my 6 eggs here, baking powder, sugar. Over here is my sugar. Over here is my flour, and over here, the last and not the least, is my oil. So we are just going to dive into the video. So we are going to start by creaming our butter. So we are going to cream it very well before adding any other ingredient. Meanwhile, my butter have been in room temperature for some hours now. Make sure your butter is on room temperature. So I'm going to be baking a birthday cake, so I just want to carry you guys along. Yeah, so you can also use your hand mixer or your table mixer, anyone you have. So I just want to show you guys how you can get the fluffy one with mixing it with hand, but it can also come out perfectly with your mixer. It depends on what you have at home, because it's not everybody that has a hand mixer or a table mixer. So I'm going to be adding in my vegetable oil in there. After creaming for a while, I'm going ahead to cream it together. And after creaming, then I'm also going to be adding my sugar in there. Remember, we are making fluffy vanilla cake. This is my sugar I'm adding in there. So this is it after some minutes. So this is how it looks. So I'm still going to continue for the next 5 minutes before we can start to combine our dry ingredients together. So we are done with this. So I'm going to be combining my dry ingredients. So this is my flour. I'm going to be adding my baking powder into it, and I'm going to combine it. Please make sure whenever you are cracking the eggs, make sure you crack it one after the other to avoid bad eggs. So as you can see, I've already cracked mine, so mine is already ready. I did it off camera. Crack it one after the other. It's very important, so you don't add bad eggs to your cake. We're going to be adding it one after the other. So now guys, we are done mixing our eggs into our butter. So this is how it is. It looks so fluffy, and very fluffy. So we are going to combine the dry ingredients and the milk together. So I'm going to be adding the milk little by little, while we also add the flour, little by little in there. So I'm going to change my spatula to the big one. So this is my bigger spatula. So this is the last and not the least.